afternoon, friends. Today is Tuesday, 20th of October 2020, and the time now is 1:45 in the afternoon. So I gonna pour concrete on this strip 1 and 2, but I removed the construction joint, so I just pour this monolithic, so meaning I just pour this one time. So this is the first batch, which is 11 liters, and the reason why I have a support here the support here is to maintain the straightness of this formworks, because it's I saw the alignment is like a crooked, so that's why I put a support to hold it straightly. So roughly I calculate the volume, which is 38 liters of builder's mix, meaning 3 bags and 4 liters of plastic bucket, but maybe we'll go beyond that quantity. Alright folks, I'll just continue mixing the concrete, and please stay with me, and yeah, we'll see how far we can go today, because the weather is not so good. It's cold and cloudy. It looks gonna be rain soon. Okay, thank you. Hope everyone's okay, COVID free. God bless, and please be safe. See you in the next video. Bye for now.